That's all clean. Clean that up. We hook this up next. Accelerate. Good linkage. Put it like this. One there. There's one more. Ready. Three games.
Pitches and breaks, and he's really fast.
There you go, under there.
See where the stand.
This is on. Look at those hoses. This hose into there. HER. This one goes here. Come on. And then I gotta put that clip slides in there, and I guess locks in front of there. Those two go on there. Those hoses. That's exactly this hose here. This hose here. Those two right there. Just how they are in their place. Two tins for the throttle linkage. Picture. That goes there.
Look at that, man. I think they probably had seizures.
That goes there. That one goes there. There you go. That hose was hard to replace. This reservoir just slides in like so. Goes up to there. Goes in there. But you get that little green strap. This is one section. It goes in, lines up with these two, three.